Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Eclairs Choux Pastry. First, gather your ingredients: water, butter, salt, flour, and eggs. This versatile dough, known as pâte à choux, forms the foundation for many delightful pastries. We'll start by cooking the base on the stovetop, then incorporate eggs, and finally bake it to perfection. It's simpler than you might think. To begin, combine 1 cup of water and 1/2 cup of butter in a medium saucepan. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, ensuring the butter is fully melted. Immediately add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir vigorously with a wooden spoon over low heat until the dough forms a smooth ball and pulls away cleanly from the sides of the pan. This step is crucial for proper hydration. Once your dough base, or panade, is cooked, remove it from the heat and let it cool for about 2 minutes, stirring to release some steam. Next, beat in 4 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. The mixture will look separated initially, but will become a smooth, glossy paste. Transfer the dough to a piping bag and pipe 3 to 4-inch logs onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving ample space between each. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the piped eclairs for 15 minutes, then reduce the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 25 minutes. It's vital not to open the oven door during the first phase to allow them to puff properly. After baking, poke a small hole in each eclair to release steam, preventing sogginess. Remember to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.